Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to talk about CSS positions. So let's dive into the code. Okay everyone, in CSS all elements have either these five positions, either static, relative, sticky, fixed or absolute. By default all elements are the static positions. By default they have static positions. So let's have one div and I will give it a class name of box. We'll give our box a height of 200 pixel, the width of 200 pixel, and a background color of blue. You can start the position by having the position property and give it static, but no changes happen and you do not have control on your element because the position is static and you cannot give other values, other properties for this. But for other positions like relative, you can give values like top, left, bottom, z index. So if I change the position to relative, now I have control on my element, so I can position it to where it normally should be. For example, I can give it top 200 pixel. Now you see we have 200 pixel margin at the top, so we have control on our element. We decide where should it be. So I can give it left property to be 200 pixel. We can change the position of our element. So for having the position relative, so you can have control on it and you can change the position of your element wherever you want. The other position we have is called fixed. So if you give position fixed, it will be fixed according to your window. What do I mean is, let's have a pair of other paragraphs as well. I'll have it one div, give it h1. This is heading example. So this is just a sample of a web page. By having the position fixed, you have it fixed in your window, in your viewport, and it is gonna be on other elements. So it will cover other elements. As you see here, for example, my first div, it has one heading, like this is heading example, it has a paragraph. And now by having the position fixed, it is on top of other elements. And also you can give the other values here as well. So I want to have 40 pixel. Now even if I scroll down, I will have this element in that specific margin that we give this for the top property. So this is a fixed position, or you can have it at the bottom. It is ideal for having advertisement in your website by having the position bottom to be 0 pixel or only 0. You can have it on the right side by setting the right position to be 0. Now it is positioned exactly at the bottom, right, with no margin. It is ideal for having advertisement in your website. The next position we have is called sticky. It is a little bit similar with the fixed, but there is a difference here. By having the position sticky, it is not going to be on other elements. It will be fixed by the time you scroll down. Let's fix it. So now the position is sticky and we should have one top property. For top property we should have one value here. So I specify it 10 pixel. Now by having 10 pixel margin here at the top, it will be fixed by the time I scroll down. And also you can specify where you want to have this sticky element as well. For example, I want to bring my div here. I paste it. Now I have my other elements, and now you see, for example, this is the element that I want to have a sticky position here. So in the CSS, I give position sticky, I give one top value for the top property. So by the time I scroll down, you see now it is fixed. When I go back to it is default position, it will remain there, but by the time when I scroll down, it is gonna be fixed. So it is the differences between a fixed position and a sticky position. I hope it is clear. We have one last position that is called absolute, which is very important. So let's remove all of them. I will have another div and give it the class name of parent 1h1. This is a parent element. Inside this I'm going to have another div, and I will give it a class name of child. Okay everyone, I have just given my parent and child element some design, so just height, width, background color as you see here. Now if I give my parent the position to be relative and I give the position absolute for my child, see now what happens. If I give it top 400 pixel for the parent, see what happens. If I refresh the page, you see that the parent element is 400 pixel down, and also the child, although we did not give top value for the child, but again it takes effect according to the parent value. Alright everyone, it was just an introduction for positioning, so we'll talk more about it in practical examples. I hope it was clear for you. If you are new to the channel, so don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for more tutorials. Thank you.